Let's take a moment to reset. These stretches are gentle, seated, and designed to support regulation. If you have any injuries or concerns, check with a healthcare professional first. Move slowly, avoid discomfort, and listen to your body.
If you've been sitting at a desk all day, your body may have settled into one position for a long time. Your breathing might feel a little shallower, and you may be carrying more tension than you've realized. This is an opportunity to reconnect with your body after a long period of focusing on everything else.
Before we start, notice your chest and shoulders. Did they feel tight? Rounded forward? Holding more tension than you realized? Just notice what's there. Now sit toward the middle of your chair with both feet flat on the floor. Lengthen gently through your spine. Reach your hands behind you and hold the back of your chair. Allow your shoulders to soften as you settle into the stretch. Now gently push your hands into the back of the chair and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Take a slow breath in through your nose. On your exhale, lift through your chest. Let your spine extend naturally. Don't push, just let it open. Feel the difference? That's the contract and release pattern. Your body just gave itself permission to go further than it would on its own. Breathe here for a moment. Slowly return to neutral. Take one grounding breath, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Notice what changed. Sometimes regulation starts with small physical shifts. Looking for simple ways to regulate throughout your day? The Reset Toolkit includes guided somatic practices, breathing exercises, reflections, and everyday resets designed to help you reconnect with your body, find calm, and build moments of well-being into your routine. You can learn more via the link below.